This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Accent tire. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a flat, stable surface away from traffic. Gather your essential tools, including the jack, lug wrench, and your spare tire. Before you begin, always engage the parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Safety is paramount when working on your vehicle. Now, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut on the flat tire by about 1/4 of a turn. Do not remove them completely yet. Next, locate the proper jacking point on your Hyundai Accent's frame, usually near the flat tire. Carefully position the jack and begin to raise the vehicle until the flat tire is fully off the ground and can spin freely. With the vehicle raised, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Retrieve your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on your car. Gently push the spare onto the studs. Once it's in place, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring they are snug but not fully tightened yet. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Once they are all tight, lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Don't forget to store your flat tire and tools securely in your trunk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.